In sales, there's only 3 verbs that matter: make, find, and save money. Builders need you now more than ever. They need new ideas. They need new ways of doing things. And for you folks in here, how do we adapt? How do we change? How do we get better at what we do? So right now is a great opportunity to get out there and start thinking differently about sales skills. So if you follow what we go through here today and you practice these, you will sell more, faster, with less BS. Picking up the phone with confidence, with a sense of humor. But the 4 words that I like to focus on are, man, how are we fearless, optimistic, keep things simple, and have some fun.